Hey, I'm Toes859. Wanted to share a video with you guys other than something about gaming. So this is a video of me making dinner. It's a dish I made up called Frontier Stew. It's just a bunch of just random natural stuff like some sausage and beans, corn, some sauces. So let's pick it up. I'm washing my feet right here. That's the most important thing to begin. Knife. Bratwurst. So taking the knife, try not to cut the meat. Just slid it along the side there. I did a lot of cutting and editing on this video, so I cut the bratwurst lengthwise and cut it into small little pieces. Avocado oil spray or just regular avocado oil. It is kind of expensive, but it is good for good dishes. Turn it on medium heat, 4 on my dial. Yes. Add butter to desired effect. We here in Bluegrass State like our butter. Pouring in the sausage. Sizzle. Alright, and some Worcestershire sauce. Funny little, interesting little note. Worcestershire is a town in England, which is where Worcestershire sauce is from. There you go. Black pepper. First of the spice ingredients. We got some garlic and herb. Shout out to my little chef buddy that does all those TikTok videos. Love him. And next we have a Reggiano. What's going on with that chef guy? I can't remember his name on TikTok, but hope he's doing well. I love him. I think he was taking care of his mother-in-law there. Gotta stir. Stir it up, baby. I stir really fast. No, I did speed it up just a little bit. Let's hear this. That's the sound of delicious right there. What's next? Oh yeah, 3 cups of water. Very important. So we need this for the rice. The rice is coming up. Don't worry. Pour it in slow. You don't want to splash, especially since the skillet's hot. Next comes, bam, the rice. Instant brown rice. Some things you don't want to go instant, but rice it's okay to get instant brown rice or instant. I wouldn't recommend white rice, but brown rice is the best. And if you do instant, it's okay. Got some sweet corn. I think it's 16 ounce. It might be 12 ounce. I can't remember. Ugh. That's right. Always be careful with the knife, though. I probably should have hid my vape out of the camera. Oh, what's coming up next? Oh, yeah. Special effect. Billy Corgan. I love Billy Corgan. Billy Corgan on a roller coaster. Oh, next we got a can of field peas and beans. It's very healthy for you. This whole dinner is pretty healthy for you. I mean, bratwurst, It does. I mean, I'm not saying this is like, keto friendly, but it is. I mean, it's good for you. It's good for you. A little dribble of soy sauce. Now, soy sauce is not healthy for you, but it's low sodium, so it's healthier. Emphasize on the . All right, so we do that. I put just a little bit more of a dribble in, but it's a big dish, so it needs a little bit more of a dribble. You like that? Ta-da, that's right. Thank you all so much. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.